सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। नारायणी नमोस्तुते। नारायणी नमोस्तुते। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। शांति शांति शांति। Most respected, मेरे प्रिय अभिन्न और आदरणीय पूज्य स्वामी रामदेव जी महाराज, honorable ministers, a very dedicated, very committed to this great cause in the nation. Our honorable minister, Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji, honorable minister, Shri Pratap Rao Jadhav ji, and the very dedicated secretary to the Ayush department, Shri Rajesh Vaidya Kotecha ji, Vaidya Rajesh Kotecha ji, or Matri Shakti, who has shown the world yoga is the way. Our Adaniya Hansa ji, our Subodh Tiwari ji, Monalisa Das ji, our Raghavendra Rao ji, and the MC. All the beautiful divine yogis, yoga lovers, all the yoga teachers, and the yoga seekers. It's so beautiful to be here today. We are not merely gathered here. We are together here in the name of yoga, in the name of peace, in the name of harmony. And we are together here today to give the world a very clear and bold message. Yuddha is not the way, yoga is the way. Yuddha is not the way. We can see the pieces everywhere. What is happening all over the world? Maybe many reasons are there. Always reasons are there. But we have to see all these wars are bringing peace, are turning our world to pieces. Yoga is the way because yoga never creates pieces. Even you are in pieces, brings you back into the peace because peace is the way. Peace is the way. And this is our choice. Why peace is so paramount and so important? Because if you are in peace, you exude peace, you manifest peace, you share peace. And if you are in pieces, what you share? Only pieces. That's why peace is very important. And this is our choice. Yoga gives you that choice. You want to live in peace or in pieces. That's why our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Yashasvi Tapasvi Pradhan Mantri Shri Narendra Modi ji, when he went to the United Nations, I remember I was there in the United States, and the first time, no hesitation that I am speaking in Hindi, no hesitation that I am talking about my own culture. Today we are living in the AI age, artificial intelligence age. We are very proud of it. Okay, great. At the same time, in the advancement, this AI is going to replace so many people. They will be jobless. But our rishis gave a vision which will make nobody jobless. Whatever the job you are doing, you can feel vibrant, radiant. You can recharge every day yourself through yoga. And the AI, our rishis gave in beautiful way AI to RI. The yoga is turning from AI to RI, or building the bridge between the AI and RI, artificial intelligence to Rishi's intelligence. Rishi's intelligence. This is Rishi's intelligence. That's our Honorable Prime Minister of India. When he went to the United Nations, immediately, without bringing any other agenda, without even bringing India talking about anything, he said, let me take one thing in their minds, yoga, and India will be there. And today you see, yoga is everywhere. Yoga is everywhere. And yoga means oneness. One man, one mission, yoga. And yoga means awareness. Yoga means union. Yoga means oneness, togetherness, inclusiveness. That's what power of yoga is. Includes all, excludes none. That's what yoga is, which is very scientific. Subodhji knows, he's working on this direction. Swamiji is day and night, 24/7, always there, 3 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Yoga, yoga, yoga. Why yoga? Because yoga is for all. As sun, moon, stars, air and water is for everyone. Yoga is for everyone and yoga is for all. Yoga is scientific. Yoga is beyond religions. Yoga is beyond religions. इसलिए योग की जरूरत है. When we are talking about one, and today when I see the people, it makes me very much in pain. Creates a very painful situation when people are online all the time. Everybody, you know how many mobiles we have in our nation? 124 crore mobiles. 20 crores mobiles and 4 crores landline connection. Total is 124 crores. It means everybody is online. No problem. Be online. But don't forget, being online is not enough. But you have to be aligned to yourself, to your dear and near ones. That connection is gone. And yoga provides that connection. Yoga tells you how to be online, yes, but how to bridge in online and how to become aligned. Both you need it. Both are connection. Internet, great. Be on internet. Gives you the speed to the world. But disconnect to yourself to the others. आज सभी लोग फोन पे हैं, 5 लोग कार में होते हैं. शेखावत जी, मजे की बात है, 5 लोग कार में हैं, पूरे वर्ल्ड से बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन एक दूसरे से बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. Yoga tells you, scroll 5 times a day. It doesn't matter. Keep scrolling. But at least one time go to your soul also. Yoga gives you the connection between the scroll and the soul that you should not forget. ये बहुत जरूरी है. अगर हम इसको भूल जाते हैं तो समझिए सौदा घाटे का होगा. 51% कॉर्पोरेट्स, ये 1 हफ्ते पहले की रिपोर्ट है, आर फेसिंग क्या? डिप्रेशन. 51% is an amazing number. That's why yoga is very important. इसलिए योगा इज द वे. मुझे तो लगता है more meditation, less medication. When we are talking about one earth and one health, वन अर्थ का मतलब है माता भूमि पुत्रो हम पृथिव्या, कि मद अर्थ इज आवर मदर एंड वी आर द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ आवर मदर अर्थ। उसका भी ध्यान रखना है। लेकिन when we talk about one health is not my health. If this is my health, we are very selfish. It's not my health, it's the health of all. We never talk about my health, our human beings, we talk about the living beings. When we are talking about the relation between the human beings and the living beings, you need yoga. क्योंकि वनस्पति हो, मनुष्य हो, पशु हो, प्रकृति हो, इन सब के बीच में अगर तालमेल नहीं होगा, सामंजस्य नहीं होगा, एकता नहीं होगी, तो पक्का मानिए यू विल नेवर बी हैप्पी, यू विल नेवर बी हेल्दी। संबंध टूटा, बस उस संबंधों को जोड़ता है योग। जब आप भीतर की यात्रा करते हैं तो ये सारे संबंध जुड़ जाते हैं। इंटरनेट की यात्रा आपको स्पीड पे ले जा सकती है, लेकिन इंटरनेट इज नीडेड फॉर योरसेल्फ। लेट अस connect between internet and internet and that is called yoga, जो आपको दोनों से जोड़ के रखता है, जो और सबको किसी को छोड़ के नहीं रखता है, सबको जोड़ के रखता है, सबको साथ लेके चलता है। जो सबको साथ लेके चले वही तो भारत है। और उस भारत के लिए योग और ध्यान जिसने भीतर की दृष्टि दी, अंदर की दृष्टि दी, भीतर नहीं संभला, आज सबसे जुड़ गए लेकिन भीतर से कट गए। लाइफ इज नॉट ए कलेक्शन, लाइफ इज ए कनेक्शन। उस कनेक्शन को अगर कोई दे सकता है, हाँ योग आज पैसा भी देने लगा है, पीपल आर बीइंग वेरी रिच, बट इट्स नॉट द ओनली एम। योगा वॉज नॉट फॉर कलेक्शन, योगा वॉज फॉर कनेक्शन एंड दैट कनेक्शन बिकॉज योग इज यूनियन। अगर हम पूरा कर सके, ऑल आवर कॉन्फ्रेंसेस, all these efforts our honorable ministers is doing and our India is doing, believe me, will take people in a such a great height. और वो जब होगा तो समझना कि योग हो रहा है। Last but not the least, all the yogis, you people, भारत के प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा एक पेड़ माँ के नाम। I think we need a green yoga and green yogis. Green yoga, green yogis. एक पेड़ माँ के नाम, एक पेड़ धरती के नाम और एक पेड़ अपने नाम। कुछ तो करें हम लोग। अगर आपने ये काम किया, बहुत बड़ा काम हो जाएगा। धरती भी हरी भरी रहेगी, जीवन भी हरा भरा रहेगा और हम सब मिलकर पूरे विश्व के लिए एक नया भारत, एक नया विश्व दे सकते हैं। भारत माता की जय। वंदे। धन्यवाद।